Let us see a magic today. Curious to know how did this happen? Quickly get these things from your home. A transparent container made of glass or plastic, water balls, a sheet of paper with a text written over it, and a bottle of water. Place the sheet of paper, place the glass bowl over it. Pour the water balls. Now what happens? As you fill this container with water balls, are you still able to see the text exam fear? You can't. Now you must be surprised that why are you not able to see it now? But in the magic, we saw that the moment we poured water over it, we were very clearly able to see. Let us try to understand step by step. Let us try to see what's happening right now that we are not able to see. Now what exactly happens is each of these water balls, though they contain water, but because of their spherical shape, each of these behave like a lens. So what happens? Now in order to see this exam fear text which is written here, so your eye would be somewhere here or somewhere. So if you want to see this text, what should happen? Light reflected from this should be able to reach your eyes. Only then you will be able to see the text. But what's actually happening is, now there is a change in medium for the light, because here you have water, but in the spaces between you have air. So now the moment light enters into these spherical balls, first of all, being convex lens, they tend to converge the beam of light. So what happens? The converged beam then again enters into air, so they undergo refraction, they bend, again they enter into another ball, again they converge, again they enter into air. So because of these repeated entry into air and water, ultimately what happens is some of the rays come out in this direction, some rays go in this direction, some go in this direction. So they are like scattered in all directions. But if you observe it very closely, you can see that at certain points you can see some blue mark. Though you cannot see the entire alphabet E, X or A, but you can see some very bleak blue marks somewhere. So what are those blue marks? So those are maybe a few of those rays which have entered your eye or which have reached your eye. So that makes those blue lines visible to you. Let us now try to prove our second point, that the reflected rays that come out of these balls, they get scattered in different directions and therefore they do not reach our eye. So for that, let's make use of these laser light. Now do you see what happens? You see there are so many rays coming out in so many different directions. And why is that happening? That's happening because of those repeated refractions, those repeated encounter of air and water medium. Now the question is, what is so different that's happening when we pour water into this bowl? So let's pour some water. Now the moment we poured water, we can clearly see exam fear. So now what happened is, the refractive index of water and the refractive index of the water balls, they are the same because water balls contain nothing but water. Now when I say that water balls and water, they both have same refractive index, that means they both are basically one medium. So there is no change in medium. So now for the light rays which have to come from this exam fear text to our eyes, they will first travel in water medium and then they will bend due to refraction, but they will finally be able to reach our eye, and that is why we will be able to see the text. So even though it looks like a magic, but actually it is a very simple application of refraction of light. So now let's also see, just for fun, that how different now the laser light behaves. Look at this. You can see the straight beam of laser light because this time there are no multiple refractions that's happening there. I hope you liked the video. Like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel to get daily updates. Thank you.